I came out this morning to get a little video of the greenhouse because it's supposed to be below freezing for 4 days starting on Sunday. So here's how everything is doing. Everything is frost hardy. Carrots, beets, lettuce, turnips. But I think our lows are going to be like 2. So I'm just not quite sure. This is not a heated greenhouse. But the plants are looking wonderful. And here I have some babies. I think everything should be just fine. And it's January 11th, so it's pretty appropriate to get some cold weather.